Really, Otis? All locked off. Okay.
Going up.
Oh, Otis's. Really? All companies, Otis. Otis Gen3 is probably. Oh no, 2022. That's when it was ordered. Actually. How good is the build quality? Oh my god, it's terrible. Seriously? It's
9. Lower.
With me now. Is this pathetic how like really high end Otises have a really wobbly.
Going up.
Yeah, it's Witter doors. Witter Pegasus Plus, I think. US 95. As expected, really. Looks like a regular regen panel. I just stuck this over. It's already loose. Lovely.
8. Lower.
I reckon, yeah, this building was still in construction a year ago. These are probably in service for maybe 6 months.
Ground. Lower.